To verify your Facebook Business Manager, first log in your Meta Business portfolio, then go to WhatsApp Manager. Here, navigate to verify your business section. Click on Get Started option. Here, click on Start Verification button. Then, start your verification. Now select your business type. What type of business is this? Corporation, sole proprietorship, partnership, private company, or institution. Then next, here select your business is officially registered or not. For example, we continue with registered option. Now enter your business details like registration number, name, or alternative business name. Then enter your contact information. Here enter your website and click on Next. Then it shows some businesses from Google Business Profile. Select your business from here if you have, or you can continue with My Business Isn't Listed and click on Next. Now confirm your business connection through email, phone call, or etc. Now we upload a document that conforms the details we had entered. You can upload Certificate of Incorporation, GST certificate, business bank statement, or etc. Now verify address or phone number. Through business registration or license document, business tax document, certificate/articles of incorporation, or etc. Now verify your business connection. We selected email previously. After submission, thanks pop-up will displayed. It should take up to 2 business days. After review, your Facebook Business Manager will get successfully verified.